Namaste, Hari Om Tat Sat. This is Madhavi here, and I'm so pleased and glad to invite my close loved ones, family and friends to be a part of the online virtual yoga festival which World Peace Yoga School from Rishikesh, the world capital of yoga from India, is conducting. I assure and I trust that you will have an amazing, magical yoga learning experience being in the good and the great company of revered masters. Sri Guru Vishnuji himself is driving this, and with the help of lot of great masters and gurus, this program is being conducted on the eve of the International Yoga Day, and I assure you that you're going to be having a blissful time, an amazing and a magical time being in the good company of the gurus. Come forward, register it because it's free of cost. So I look forward to see you all and enjoy these days from 21st of June till 24th of June and get the best, the nectar of yoga from the learned masters and implement in your life for all the brighter side of your life. Yoga is the brighter side of your life. Look at the brighter side of your life.